Hi, Mike Johnson for Stadium Motors. What we have for you here today is a 2013 Ford F150 XL trim, extended cab, long box, 8-foot box, 5-liter V8, two-wheel drive, 120,000 miles on it for $13,999. Inside of this is really nice. It's got the cloth interior. For a vehicle with some miles on it, this thing's in perfect condition. You got the rubber floor, it's got air conditioning, got cruise control, tilt wheel, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We'll show you later, those are the trailing mirrors, fold down center armrest that you can put, this is a 6-passenger vehicle. You notice it's got running boards on it too, factory running boards. Got the contractor cap with a side shelf. Really nice shape. Come around back here. Got the easy access to the 8-foot bed with the barn doors. Factory tow package with a factory trailer brake also, that's built right in. Box in nice shape. I'll shut this door here. There's a light in here too. Come around to this side. You can see how nice it is. I mean, it's not scratched, it's not dinged. It's sitting on a brand new set of tires. Again, the factory running boards. A lot of you don't know that these quarter windows go all the way down. I left that up just so you can see it. But again, look at the condition of the upholstery on this. The whole interior is like that. Got a full-size bench seat back here. I mean, real adults can ride in here in it, plus it folds up. And let me shut that. Again, the trailering mirrors, let me show that. They're adjustable, they're power, not in and out like this, but you can see really well with the size of those mirrors. Under the hood's the 5-liter V8. This is fairly new, and it replaced the Triton series of engines, and it's got a lot of power. It feels like a big engine, a lot bigger than 5 liters. Gets really good fuel mileage besides. Got the chrome bumper on it. Nice paint, nice body, no scratches, no dents. Just take it for a ride.